Today we are discuss the complex numbers. It is the first chapter of 11th class and it's very important for competition and academics point of view. A competition like IIT, ND and all. So we are starting from introduction. Introduction. What is complex number? What is complex numbers? So first of all, I would like to classify the numbers. 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 What is the numbers? Numbers are two kinds basically, the real part or real numbers and the imaginary part or imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers. So we know the real numbers. Real numbers is like rational number, irrational number, and all numbers are real numbers. Like the real number are those numbers which can represent in number line, which can represent in number line, name real number. Okay, like 1 minus 1 under root 3 pi and 28360, all numbers are real number. But what is the imaginary number? What is the imaginary number? So I am discussing the imaginary number, and the imaginary number word is comes from equation like x square plus 1 equal to 0. So when we solving this equation, we found x square equal to minus 1 and x is equal to under root minus 1. This is the big blunder of mathematics. This number is not possible, means it is imaginary. So the name is as iota. It's look like I. Sometimes we calling it I, sometimes we calling it iota. Iota is the Greek symbol. It looks like I. Okay, so it is unit of imaginary number. It is not existing now, so we are write it as iota. Okay, then we are starting with the property of iota. Properties of iota, we are starting from iota to the power 1 is under root minus 1, or we can say iota. Okay, same as iota to the power 2 is what? Under root minus 1 into under root minus 1 is what? Iota into iota. Okay, under root minus 1 into under root minus 1. Say under root minus 1 into under root minus 1 equal to minus 1. Same here, to the power 3 is what? Under iota square into iota. What is iota square? Iota square is minus 1, and we see now this previous equation, and iota is iota, so we can write it as minus iota. Iota to the power 3 is what? Minus iota. And say iota to the power 4 is what? Iota to the power 2 into iota to the power 2. We can write it as na. So iota to the power 2 is what? Minus 1, and iota to the power 2 is what? Minus 1. So we can write it as na 1. Then iota to the power, that clear na? Okay, okay. Iota to the power 5, we can write it as iota to the power 4, iota to the power 4 into iota. Iota to the power 4 is what? Iota to the power 4 is what? Iota to the power 4 is what? Iota to the power 4 is 1. Then iota to the 4 is 1. Then iota equal to, final answer is iota. Same as iota to the power 6 is what? Iota to the power 4 into iota to the power 2. We can say iota to the 4 is what? 1, and iota to the power 2 is what? 2 is what? 2 is minus 1. So final answer is minus 1. Then iota to the power 7 is what? Iota to the power 4 into iota to the power 3 is, iota to the power 4 is what? 1, and iota to the power 3 is what? 3 is what? Minus iota. See here, na? See here, minus iota. I of 3 is what? Minus iota. Okay. So final answer is what? Minus iota. Similarly, iota to the power 8 is what? Iota to the power 4 into iota to the power 4. See, 1 into 1. Iota to the 4 is 1, na? See here, iota to the 4 is 1. So final answer is 1. Similarly, we are finding the value of iota to the power 9. Iota to the power 9 is what? Iota to the power 8 into iota. Iota to the power 8, value of the iota to the power 8 is what? We are seeing here iota to the power, value of iota to the power 8 is 1. Then 1 into iota is iota. Similarly, iota to the power 10 equal to iota to the power 8 into iota square is iota to the power 8 is what? Iota to the power 8 is what? Iota to the power 8 is 1 and iota to the power 2 is what? What? Minus 1. 1 into minus 1. We can write it as minus 1. So iota to the power 9 is what? Iota to the power 8 into iota to the power 3. What is the value of iota to the power 8? 1. What is value of the iota to the power 3? Minus iota. Okay. So we can write it as minus iota. Similarly, sorry. Similarly, iota to the power 12 is iota to the power 8 into iota to the power 4 equal to what? 1 into 1 is final answer 1. So this slide is clear, na? Okay. Now we are discussing iota to the power 1 is iota, iota to the power 2 is minus 1, iota to the power 3 is what? Minus iota, iota to the power 4 is what? 1, iota to the power 5 is iota to the power 5 is what? What is the value of iota to the power 5? Iota, iota to the power 6 is what? Minus 1, iota to the power 7 is what? Minus iota, iota to the power 8 is what? 1, iota to the power 9 is what? Iota, iota to the power 10 is what? Minus 1, iota to the power 11 is what? Iota to the power 11 is what? Minus iota. And iota to the power 12 is what? 1. See a similarity. The values of these powers are repeating after 4. No? The group of 4, first group of 4, second group of 4, and first group of 4, second group of 4, and third group of 4. We can write it as iota to the power 4n equal to 1, iota to the power 4n plus 1 equal to iota, and iota to the power 4n plus 2 equal to minus 1. We can say here, na? Okay. Iota to the power 4n plus 3 equal to minus iota. Iota to the power 4n plus 4 equal to 1. Okay. Oh, this is the concept where n equal to any integer, any integer, any positive integer or negative integer also, any integer. Okay. And is what is symbol of integer? What is symbol of integer? Symbol of integer is I, or somewhere is z also. Okay. So now we are discussing a question, and this question is I have find the value of I to the power 37. So I give you a method when any value in the power is written as, any value in the power is written as. So any value in the power is written as, first of all, it divide by 4. When you divide it by 4, 4 9s are 36. What is, you find the remainder and write it as 36 plus 1. Say 36 is what? It's like 4n, na? It is like 4n. 4 into 9 plus 1. It is similar as 4n plus 1 is iota. Okay. So we can directly write it as I to the power 1 is I. That's the final answer. Okay. Now we are going to do some other question of this technique. Like question is 109. Okay. So just direct divide. 109 is divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 2. 4. 4 6s are 4 8. 4 7s are 28. Remainder is what? 1. We can directly write it as I to the power 1 is I. Okay. One more question on the basis of this technique. I to the power 1000. Okay. So this is the big power, no? 4-digit power. 1000 divided by 4. What we found? Found remainder. Remainder. What we found? Found remainder. We can write I to the power remainder. I to the power remainder. I to the power what? Remainder. Okay. So we divided by 1000 by 4. Okay. So 4 2s are 8. 2. Okay. 4 5s are 20. Then 0 is 0 0. Okay. Then 0 is 0. So there is no remainder found. Remainder is 0. So write it. I to the power 0. 0 is 1. That's the final answer. Okay. One more. Okay. One more. One more question is write it as I to the power 17. 17 looks easy, no? Huh. So what it is? Divided by 4. Remainder is 1. So we can easily write it as I to the power is I. Okay. Is I. It's very easy technique and it is very easy methodology. Okay. Then we are going to discuss a complex question by this technique, like 1 plus iota the power 2. That is our first question. We are solving it. What is the formula of a plus b to the power 2 or a plus b ka whole square, or we can say whole square of a plus b? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. No? So what is the value of a? A is 1, b is iota. Then a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. It is identity, so we capture in the box. Okay. Okay. Now 1 square is 1. Okay. 2 into 1 into iota is 2 iota. And I square, what is the value of I square? What is the value of I square? I square is minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 plus 1, what is 0? And 0 plus 2i is say 2 iota. Similarly, understand, no? Okay, now we are discuss any other question. 1 plus I to the power 3, we can write it as, first of all, you have to say what is the identity of a plus b to the power, what is the formula of a plus b to the power 3. So the formula is aq plus bq plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square. We can write it as also aq plus bq plus, we can take common na, 3ab, this term has 3a and also b, this term has 3a and also b, so we can write it as 3ab a plus b. Okay. Okay, so we are using this formula, 1 square 1 cube, sorry, 1 cube plus I to the power 3, I to the power 3, I to the power 3 plus 3 into 1 ka square into iota. Okay, and 3 into 1 into iota square. Okay, this is identity. So we capture in this box. Okay. So 1 minus iota. I to the power 3 is what? Minus iota. Okay. 3 into 1 into iota is 3 iota. You can write it now. 3 iota. It is minus 1 into 3. Say minus 3. Okay. We can add real part and imaginary part. Imaginary part is what? 3i minus I is say 2i. Okay, it is minus 3 plus 1. The minus number is bigger than, we can write it as minus 2. Okay, I 1 I minus 1. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. We can again doing a question. We can again doing a question. We can again doing a question. Question is I to the power 4 plus I to the power 29 the whole square. It is bigger for the, this is the critical question, looks critical for the bigger powers. So we reduce the powers. I to the 4 value of the I to the power 4 is what? 1. And how to find the I to the power 29? 29 is very easy. 29 is divided by 4. 29 is divided by 4 is what? Remainder is 1. So we can easily write it na, I to the power 1 or iota. So it has become very easy na. So I am not again solving again because I did this in the previous slide. His final answer is 2 iota. His final answer is 2 iota. Now we are taking another question, 1 plus iota into 2 plus iota. Okay. So we are just multiply like a plus b, a plus something like that. Okay, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into is I into 2 is 2i, and I into I is I square. Okay, understand now? So we are saying this, I plus 2i is what? 3i. And what is the value of I square? I square is minus 1. 1 plus 3i. 1 plus 3i. We can write it as 1 plus 3i. It is the simplest form. It is simplest form of a complex number. Now we are discussing what is the form of complex number. Complex number. Complex number. Complex number. complex number is made up by two parts. Two parts. Z, say complex number is represented by Z, then it is made up by two parts. One is the real part of Z and another is imaginary part of Z. Okay, imaginary part of Z. What it is we are seeing in the next slide. uh, can I change the slide? Okay. So now we are discussing what is the real part and imaginary part of the complex number. Okay, so a complex number, a general complex number is written as what is the real part and what is the imaginary part. The real part is A and imaginary part of Z is not B, it is IB. It is IB. We are discussing a question come in competition. Question is find real and imaginary part of the complex number, where the complex number is Z equal to 2 minus 3i. Okay, the option 1 is real and imaginary part of the number. Okay, so 2 comma 3, option 2, 2 comma minus 3, third option, 2 comma 3 I, fourth option, 2 comma minus I. Okay, it's come in any exam. So the question is what is the real part is A means comparing A plus BI or IB. So A is what? 2. Okay, 2, 2, 2. Every option containing 2. Okay. Then what is the value of IB? IB is minus 3I. Minus 3I. Then the third option is correct. Okay. Okay. Then do another question. Find value of Z square if Z equal to 2 plus 3i. It's very easy question. If Z is equal to 3i, then Z square is equal to the whole square. So using the formula of whole square is formula is what? A square plus B square plus 2ab. Okay, I am not writing again and again. Okay, so 2 square plus 3i square plus 2 into 2 into 3i. Okay, what is the 2 square is 4. Okay, what is the square of 3 is 9 and I square is I square 9 I square. We can write it now. 2 into 2 4 into 3, what is 12 I. Okay, 4, the value of I square is what? Minus 1. So it become minus 9 equal to minus 5 plus 12i. Okay, it is final answer. Okay, we can also find the value of Z cube, Z to the power 4, Z to the power 5. Okay, for this question. It is very common question asking in academics. Now we are learning how to divide a complex number. How to divide a complex number by a complex number? Means z1 is divided by z2. Say z1 equal to, say z1 equal to, find z1 is divided by z2, and the z1, where z1 is 2 plus 3i and z2 is equal to 1 plus I. Okay, so 2 plus 3i is divided by what? 1 plus I. When we are dividing this kind of question, when we are dividing a complex number by a complex number using the rationalization of denominator, yeah, that that important tool is also using here. Okay, minus I, minus I. How we are rationalize? Change the sign of denominator and multiply in both side, numerator and denominator also. 2 plus 3i, 1 minus I, and is divided by 1 plus I, 1 minus I, 1 plus I, 1 minus I, 1 minus I. We multiply in the numerator. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into minus I, minus 2i, 3i into 1, 3i, okay, 3i into minus I, minus 3i square, minus 3i square, okay. Then a plus b, a minus, what is, it is very important identity. A plus b, a minus b is what? A square minus b square, it is the identity. So be captured in this box. You should have to learn every box, okay. So a square means 1 square minus I square, okay. So we can write it as 2 as 2. 3i minus 2i is what? I. What is the value of I square? Is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3, minus 1. I square is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 3 is what? Complete 3. Okay. Then 1 square. 1 square is what? 1. And minus I square is what? Minus 1. Okay. We can write it as 2 plus 3 is what? 5 plus I upon 1 plus 1 is 2. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Okay. This is the final answer. So, so we again a question for practice. 1 plus I is divided by 1 minus I, 1 minus I. We can rub it. 1 minus I. Okay. So we are using, what we are using? We are using the rationalization of the denominator. We are using the rationalizing of the denominator. How we rationalize? Change the sign of the denominator part and multiply the both side, numerator and denominator. We know a plus b, a plus b, a plus b to the whole square. Sorry, a plus b to the whole square. A plus b, a minus b is what? A square minus b square. A plus b to the whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. I can write it now. Yeah. 1 minus, minus iota is what? Minus 1. Okay. The 1, the 1, the minus 1 and 2i upon, as 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2, 1 minus 1 is what? 0. 2i upon 2 is 2 to cancel out. The final answer is I. Okay. So what we learned today, we learned classification of the numbers. Numbers are two kind of: the real number and imaginary number. Imaginary number come from the equation like x square plus 1, where x is minus 1 is not existing, so we write it as iota. Iota is the mother of complex numbers. Okay, then we understand what is the repetition of powers in iota. Okay, iota contains the cyclic property after power 4. Okay, so we do we do the quotients of many powers like I to the power 37 and many much more. Okay, and we understand how to multiply the complex numbers and divide the complex numbers, and we are discussing the part of complex numbers, real part and imaginary part. Okay, so thank you. If you have any query, you can ask.